Welcome to our first walkthrough of construction progress at LB Clark Middle School. It's January 8th, 2024, and we are going to take a walk through what the school looks like now and what it will look like in the future. Here's the map of the overview of our school. The red parts are the new additions, the gym and the 5th grade arts additions, and then the green areas are where renovations will be taking place in summer and next fall. Our first picture is what the south side of the new gym currently looks like. You can see that the walls are up. They'll be starting to work on the steel and putting the roof on shortly. It's very exciting. This is what it will look like when it's finished. We'll have nice windows to get light inside of the gym. The colors and just the makeup of the gym will be a really cool look. This is the location where our new main entry to the school will be. The left side is our new gym. The right side where those windows are is where the current art room is. And this is what it will look like when it's done. This is going to be a really main focal point of our building. It'll switch the main entrance to the west side of the school. This is in the current art room, which we've cleared out already. This is where our main office will be. And in just a second, you will see Mrs. Zarn's desk in the main office. There it is. That's what it will look like. And as you walk into the main office, if you take a look to the left there, we'll be turning left in this next photo, and those will be the doors to go into the main hallway entrance of the school. The next picture that we're going to see is that wall currently. It is the outside wall of the new gym. That's what it looks like right now. Once they start building and connecting the new school to the new gym to the existing school, it will look like this. And this will be the left side of the hall in the main entry of the building. If we turn to the right and start walking a little bit forward, we'll see the other side of the hall, which this is what it looks like right now. This is the current outside wall of the building, outside of the art room and some other classrooms. This is what the new wall will look like on that side. Pretty exciting, a big map of Two Rivers with a plaque about LB Clark and the city itself. If we walk forward and take a left, this is the inside of the new gym. So this is the current progress. They're just about to start connecting those wall panels. And then this is what that exact spot will look like when we get the new inside of the new gym finished. Really cool looking and exciting. So if we were to take a walk right out of the gym and take a left, this is the outside of the back side of the gym. In just a second, the rendering of what that area will look like will pop up. Those will be the doors where kids go out to get to board the buses at the end of the day, and when they get dropped off by buses in the morning, these will be the doors that students come into school. This is also a picture in the current art room. This is where the main hallway into the building from that main entrance will be. And this is what this exact spot will look like in the future. The windows to this small room is a steam room that'll be attached to our Tech Ed Center. And you can actually see the Tech Ed shop right through those windows to the back. This is the hallway with the famous bricks that will go down toward the Tech Ed rooms and our 5th grade arts edition. This is what the wall will look like moving forward. An example of these photo plaques, they'll be purple and gold with some different colors. We'll have photos, pictures of the bricks, and so on. It'll look pretty neat. This is what that hallway looks like right now. They have currently taken out the ceiling to do some electrical work. This is what the hallway will look like in the future. Except for the brick part will be covered with those photo panels. So we're looking forward to that. Some display case area in the windows for the Tech Ed room. This is a picture of what our Tech Ed room currently looks like. And from the same vantage point, when the renovations are finished, this is what the shop will look like moving forward. We're moving the office and moving the teacher's office to a different location to make more floor space. You can see the windows into that Tech Ed area, that's steam room. So now we're going to walk down towards the cafeteria from the art room and Tech Ed area. You can see what that hallway looks like currently. This is what it will look like in the future. These are the windows and the door into our expansion for the cafeteria. Not only will this area allow us to have more kids eating lunch at the same time, we'll also be able to use this room for many different purposes. This is the current cafeteria facing where that cafeteria expansion will be. And the photo that's going to come up, it will show you the garage doors that will be able to open and close to make that area either an extension of the lunchroom or a quiet area that we can have students eat in there as well. This is in the current band room. That is where that cafeteria expansion will be. So when the rendering comes up, this is exactly what that area will look like moving forward. We can have different types of seating in there. Groups can use this room after school for meetings. We can use it for staff meetings, all kinds of different stuff. This is in our current student services room, which will be student services moving forward as well. This exact spot moving forward will look like this. The bathroom door to the left, and that will be the student services desk right there. There will be offices and workspace and conference areas in there to work with students. Two areas are really neat to think about. So if you look at those brick pillars at the end of the hall, those are going to be the same brick pillars that you see in this picture here. So the classrooms that are to the right and left of those brick pillars before you get to them in that prior picture will be gone, and that's where the hallway will be moving forward. And that'll be a room attached to the library. This is down by 5th grade. I should probably be standing about 15 feet back from where I am right in this picture, but there's a wall there and we couldn't. This is what that area will look like moving forward. It will be a collaboration space with some collaboration furniture in that area. Teachers will be able to use that as an extension of their classroom. This is also a collaboration area. You're looking at the 8th grade house right here. Right through those windows would be Miss Hubrich's room. This is what that area will look like as a collaboration space moving forward. Again, teachers will be able to use that area with their classes, cast onto the screen and use the whiteboards there. Really exciting, neat stuff. So this is the current status of the 5th grade and arts edition on the north side of the school. This is where 5th grade, band, choir, and art will be. This is a rendering of what that building will look like when it's finished. You can see the dust collector way back on the right there and the entrance we talked about where kids will get dropped off for buses. This is what the art room will look like. I don't have any current pictures to show you, so we'll have to just look at the renderings for this. So this is the art room. The next picture will be the band room. You can see lots of natural light, very spacious in there, so we can have our band students and have plenty of room for our instruments. And then finally, this is the 5th grade area. There are 5 classrooms in this area, as well as separate lockers for 5th grade, and a big collaboration space. In advisory and homeroom this week, your teachers will be collecting questions that you may have, and on Friday on the announcements, we're going to have the builders from C.G. Schmidt come in again and answer questions for you. So make sure that you submit any questions you have, and we'll do another update soon.